In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin Telegram messages in groups. Pinning keeps important info, like guidelines, schedules, or links, right at the top so everyone can find it quickly. Before we begin, remember that only admins or members with the right permission can pin messages. If you don't see the option to pin, you may need to ask a group admin to enable it for you. Start by opening your Telegram group and finding the exact message you want to highlight. Scroll through recent chats, use the search bar if the group is busy, and make sure the message is final and clearly written. Pinning is most useful for content that everyone needs, such as announcements or instructions. So choose something concise and evergreen when possible. Text, photos, voice notes, and even polls can be pinned. So pick the format that makes the message easiest to understand. Once you've located the message, press and hold on it to bring up the Actions menu. On a phone or tablet, that's a long press. On desktop, you can right-click the message or click the three-dot menu next to it. Either way, you'll see a small menu appear with options like Reply, Forward, and others. From that menu, tap or click Pin. Telegram will show a confirmation window so you can finalize the pin. This is your chance to double-check that you selected the correct message, especially if multiple messages look similar. You'll also see a checkbox to notify all members. Turn this on if the message is time sensitive or critical and you want everyone to receive an alert. For large or global communities, consider leaving notifications off to avoid pinging people unnecessarily, especially outside their local hours. When you're ready, confirm by choosing Pin. After confirming, the message is pinned. It will appear at the top of the chat, and members can tap it to jump straight to the original post. If your group uses multiple pins, Telegram may let users swipe or tap through them, keeping key notes accessible without cluttering the chat. If you need to update what's pinned, you can repeat the same process on a newer message. That's all there is to it. Open the group and find the message, long press to open the menu, choose Pin, decide whether to notify members, and confirm. With a thoughtful pin, your group stays organized, newcomers get up to speed faster, and important information doesn't get buried by everyday conversation. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.